Karon, where are you going?
Hello. Hello.
I always think that's a person. Karon said hello, Parrot.
What did the bird say?
Say that. I'm gonna eat.
Holly, want a cracker?
Oh, wait, so that's on video. Karon, are you talking to the parrot?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
It's a parrot.
Say hi.
Hi. It's a parrot.
What's up? What'd he say?
It's a parrot. Parrot, Mommy.
Uh-huh.
We're home.
He said hello.
Hello. Hey, look.
Oh my gosh.
Look. Hey, look.
Okay, don't put your finger in there, please. You want the parrot to eat your finger off?
No.
That's what'll happen. He said,
I'm glad I didn't know. He knows what we're talking about.
Okay. No, baby. That's not bird food. Say bye-bye.